What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Kyle, and I wanted to bring you guys a short video on this feature. It is for the camera cutout feature for your front-facing camera. So let's say you're watching YouTube and the front-facing camera is on the screen like it is now. So there is a way to turn that off. So what you want to do is go swipe down with one finger, go to your settings, go to display, go to full screen apps, and then right now for my full screen apps I have two that are open or that is available. So what you want to do is go over to camera cutout, and down at the bottom or at the top it says show camera cutout or hide camera cutout. Let's say you want to hide a camera cutout for YouTube. Scroll all the way down to YouTube. It says show camera cutout or hide camera cutout, and I hid camera cutout. So once you go on YouTube, your camera cutout will no longer be at the top of your screen when you're watching a video. So that is how you guys turn that feature off when you are watching YouTube, or you can turn it off on any app that you guys have on your phone. So if you guys do enjoy this video, let's see if we can't get 5 likes on this video, guys. Be much appreciated. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.